Hey guys, in this video, I'll be walking you guys through the current Freya AI agent experience and how it integrates into your workflows as a freight forwarder. So here you can imagine this is your freight inbox where you get a variety of different emails. For example, track and trace requests from current customers, AP invoices from truckers or carriers, and even requests for quotes from potential leads. So what our AI agents can do is firstly classify and sort these emails based on workflow and urgency. Then secondly, can extract key information and integrate with your TMS to further enrich that context. Lastly, it can also take action based on that context. So let me just show you how that works with this example, which is a track and trace request from a customer. So what our AI agent will do is first classify this email as a track and trace email, and it gets sorted into the shipment tracking folder. After getting sorted into the shipment tracking folder, it will then extract key information from the email, such as the shipment number, which in this case is S0003186. And it will then look it up on your TMS. After that, it will pull out the key information from the shipment and draft a response based on the data pulled from the TMS. After that, it will send the response back to the customer with all the key information found in the TMS, such as maybe the origin, destination, and most importantly, the ETA. So for our next example, we have an AP invoice from a trucker. So normally how a forwarder would handle this is that they would extract key information from the invoice, such as the shipment number in this case, which is S0001006. They will look it up on their TMS and see who the assigned operator is, and from there they will forward the file to the appropriate operator's email. So what our AI agent can do is first classify this email into the appropriate folder, which in this case is AP invoice, and this is based on the email subject, email body, and also the email attachments. So it can also look into all possible attachment formats such as PDFs, images, Excel files, CSVs, you name it, it can handle it. From there, it can look into these attachments and extract key information, such as in this case, a reference or shipment number that's S0001006. It then looks up that reference or shipment number on your TMS. In our case, S0001006 is assigned to Justin To. So in that case, this particular email or file gets forwarded to justin@expedock.com, as you can see here. So for our last example, we have a request for a quote from a potential customer. Especially during busy season, forwarders often have to deal with a lot of different emails and tasks, which often leave these requests for quotes unanswered. This obviously means that they're missing out on a significant amount of potential business opportunities or revenue. So what our AI agent can do is first classify the email into the appropriate folder, as you can see there, which in this case is a general information folder. After it gets classified into the appropriate folder, it will extract key information from the inquiry, such as the origin, destination, container type, weight, and other details. Based on those key details, it will look at your rate management system to determine an appropriate quote based on your margins and carrier rates. Based on the quote, it will draft and send a response back to the potential customer with all the key information and the quote breakdown. Lastly, I also want to highlight that these folders right here can be customized and tailored fit to whatever works for your particular business operation. Some customers have requested these folders to be separated into different levels of urgency, for example, or even potentially different workflows such as import and export folders. So yeah, you can pretty much mold these folders to perfectly fit your ideal business operations and workflows. And yeah, that's pretty much the full Freya AI agent experience. If you have any other suggestions, feedback, or comments, please do let us know. We'd be glad to hear from you.